It's Jules the Biz Advisor again. This is my 6th advice video for self-employed, sole traders, partnerships or companies. Cash flow forecast is so imperative to every good business. Let me give you this scenario. This is a scenario of how we might feel before we download and sort out a cash flow forecast. It doesn't matter if we're self-employed, we're a sole trader, partnership or company. The same thing applies. So where are we going with our business? Do we feel a bit out of control, panicky at times, sleepless nights, stressed out? Always short of money, can't pay the bills, bit of a strain on the relationships, spending too much. The cash flow forecast will help us to keep our boat on an even keel and away from the rocks. So we simply download a free blank cash flow projection spreadsheet. There are plenty of them online. We enter the next 12 months at the top, April, May, June, July, all through the year. Put those in. Then we enter our current net bank balance of the business at the beginning in the top left corner. And for the first month, we put all our actual income down, sales, contracts, fees, etc., whatever suits your business. Followed again by the expenses that are applicable to your business. Things such as labour, national insurance, vehicle expense, fuel, everything that you spend. And just a word of warning, it's so very important to remember that the tax man will want paying, and also the VAT man if that applies to your business. We might do a separate video about the pros and cons of becoming VAT registered. So for that first month, we put all our actual expenses and income in, and at the bottom, a bank balance will appear. Then after that, this is the hard work, but very well worth it. We need to put in our income and expenditure for the whole of the rest of the year, all the details. Don't worry that it's just a guess, but be a bit pessimistic with it. Don't be too optimistic. Put all the figures in, look at last year, see how you got on then. Take everything into account, put all that information in. At the bottom, magically, your bank balance will appear. It does that automatically. So there we are. Now you might get a big shock, or you might get a pleasant surprise. But if you get a pleasant surprise, carry on developing your business carefully and just keep going. But if you get a shock and things are looking bad, this is where you need to do something about it. Quickly, as quickly as you can, to stop yourself going on those rocks. So we try to increase our income, obviously, maybe diversify a bit, but we do everything we can to increase our income. And looking at our expenses, we cut them back to the bone, right down to the last paper clip. We don't spend money that we haven't got if we can possibly avoid it. Just to give you one quick for instance, you could be spending an awful lot on advertising, which can be wasted, so you could cut down there possibly. All these things need to be taken into account. But I'll finish up by telling you that you will feel so much happier once you've got this cash flow in place. I'll just tell you that we did in 1992 because we were in that sort of position in a recession. But we got over it and we felt so happy once we got things that got that boat back on an even keel. Thanks for watching my video. If you'd like to subscribe, please click below. Or if you'd like a consultation, you can always email me. My email address is there. I do hope you join me next time. Bye-bye.